Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best English phrases to make new friends. Making friends in English can feel challenging, but with the right phrases, you can break the ice and start great conversations easily. Let's go over some key phrases that will help you connect with new people and build friendships. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. Hi, I'm your name. What's your name? This is a simple and friendly way to introduce yourself and start a conversation. It works in any casual situation, whether you're meeting someone at a party, a class, or even online. Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name? Hi, my name is David. Nice to meet you. It's the easiest way to start making new connections. Phrase number 2. How do you know a mutual friend or event? If you're at a social event or meeting someone through a mutual friend, this is a great icebreaker. How do you know Mark? How did you hear about this event? It helps you find common ground and gives you something to talk about right away. Phrase number 3. What do you like to do for fun? Asking about someone's hobbies or interests is a great way to get to know them better. This question opens the door to more personal conversations. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies or activities you enjoy? It's a great way to discover shared interests and bond over them. Phrase number 4. Where are you from? This is another classic question to ask when you're meeting someone new. It's perfect for starting a conversation, especially with people from different cultures or backgrounds. Where are you from? Have you lived here for long? It helps you learn more about the person's background and can lead to interesting discussions. Phrase number 5. Would you like to grab coffee sometime? Once you've had a nice chat with someone, inviting them to hang out is a great way to build a friendship. You can say, would you like to grab coffee sometime? We should hang out again soon. It's a casual, friendly way to suggest spending more time together. Phrase number 6. What kind of music/movies/sports do you like? Talking about shared interests is a great way to connect. Asking about someone's favorite music, movies, or sports is a fun way to find common ground. What kind of music do you like? Do you have any favorite movies or shows? This can lead to longer conversations and help you bond over similar tastes. Phrase number 7. It was great talking with you. When you're wrapping up a conversation, it's important to leave a positive impression. This phrase works well to end the interaction on a friendly note. It was great talking with you. Let's keep in touch. I really enjoyed our conversation. Hope to see you again soon. It shows that you're interested in staying connected and building a friendship. Let's quickly review the best phrases to make new friends in English. Hi, I'm your name. What's your name? Introduce yourself confidently. How do you know mutual friend/event? Find common ground. What do you like to do for fun? Ask about hobbies and interests. Where are you from? Learn about someone's background. Would you like to grab coffee sometime? Suggest hanging out again. What kind of music/movies/sports do you like? Bond over shared interests. It was great talking with you. End the conversation on a positive note. With these phrases, you'll be able to start conversations, build connections, and make new friends in English easily and confidently. Remember, being open and friendly is the key to making lasting friendships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!